So today I'm going to show you 5 algorithms for this difficult case. So when we get this case here in the side, we can do this algorithm. And when done fast, it can be done like that. Our next alg with this pair here would be this one. This is a pretty good algorithm. And when done fast, it can be done like that. So our third algorithm for this case goes something like this. First we do a sledgehammer, then we solve this pair. And when done fast, it can be done like that. And moving on to our next algorithm, which I highly suggest and which I also use, is doing a reverse sledgehammer and getting this easy 3-move F2L case. And when done fast, it can be done that quickly. And the last algorithm is something like this. This is pretty long, but it can be done pretty fast. And if you want to learn a 3x3, watch this video, and if you want to learn 2x2, watch